Our last presentation is to be given by Farhad Bolouri. Bolouri investigated the status of water management education in line with sustainability education in higher education institutions in Northern Cyprus.
Yes, hello everyone. Our research mainly investigating the status of water management education, line with sustainable education in higher education institutes in Northern Cyprus. It's written by me and my supervisor, Professor Dr. Hussein Bercher. Yes, we have introduction to review methodology and results and conclusion. As an introduction, we know the Turkish Republic of Northern Cyprus, or TRNC, has a policy on goal of setting higher education institutes, or HEIs, and in a short time, in 40 years, they can attract more than 100,000 students all over the world from more than 140 countries. Here you can see the total number of higher education institutes at TRNC from 1988 until this year. And here you can see the numbers in native Turkish and third country. You can see how it increased in the recent years, especially after 2010. And sometimes we have some decreases, for example, in Turkish students, and they are because of some economic problems and the other results. About the sustainable development, you know, when you have economic growth, social development, and environmental protection, you have a sustainable development. How it started, you know, it started from Putman report 1987, and after that, in our common future in Rio Conference 1992, it defined from 2000 until 2050, we have the MDGs, or Millennium Development Goals, and from 2015 until 2030, we have SDGs, Sustainable Development Goals. As a water management education, or in the umbrella of environmental education, in universities, you know, when you have knowledge, social enrollment, motivation, academic skills, all of them are going through environmental education. In this research, we have joint courses, special disciplines, extracurricular education, holding conferences, workshops, all of them are included for us as the water management education. As a lecture review, for example, we have Silman Gökçeküş, İşman, a study on quality assurance activities in higher education in North Cyprus in 2020. We have Altif and Shelikat in 2019, internationalization of higher education institutions in North Cyprus. We have Gökçeküş and Siksal in a book, 2020, the rapid growth of the higher education industry and its small slant. They focused on North Cyprus. And recently, Gökçeküş and Bolouri, we have the Assessing the Globalization and Sustainable Development of Higher Education Institutes in North Cyprus in a conference in United Nations in New York. As a methodology, we have the library method, study, research, reports, universities, website, and others. Field visits from the top 5 universities, interview with related officials and professors, environment, especially water management education. As results, we have going by one by universities. This university has civil and environmental engineering faculty. It has civil engineering department, environmental engineering department for master and bachelor, and of course civil engineering for bachelor, master and doctor, and in all of them they have some courses related with water management. In Eastern Mediterranean University, they have all of that courses, and after that they have holding water-related and environmental courses, and especially they have a climate neutrality model or EMU greenhouse gas emissions. They have something to estimate these climate-related on their website. For Cyprus International University, this university is focused on education, environmental science, research for MSc and PhD, civil engineering and environmental engineering, both of them for bachelor, master, and PhD they have. For the European University of Lefke, this university is focused on education too. Focused on education, it means conferences, most of the conferences, workshops are holding with NEU and EMU. This university is focusing on education mostly. They have civil engineering from bachelor until PhD and environmental science for MSc and PhD and related courses in their programs. University of Kilmet, this university is mostly progressive, the universities, especially nearest university, and they have, of course, civil engineering from bachelor until PhD. We have some tables and figures, but I didn't put because of the time. Conclusion, as a conclusion, this research, by using the library and field study, has tried to investigate the level of water resources management education in the top 5 universities in Northern Cyprus. This review includes bachelor, master, and doctoral courses, conferences, workshops, and etc. For this purpose, all the field of higher education institutes in bachelor, master, and doctorate are reviewed, and it is also checked whether there is a special field of water resources management or not, and of course not. If it is not, if it does not exist, the courses of related fields such as civil engineering, environmental engineering are checked in these universities. But as recommendation, we know education, water conservation is a crucial part of the increasingly important topic of sustainability, as it will help the students to focus on social responsibility. As the environment, sustainable water management improves water quality in the environment and contributes to increased biological and ecological diversity. But the two most important recommendations, first is educate students on the effect of global climate change on our water resources and on the strategies of adapting to the climate change. And second, encourage the lecturers to discuss the advantages and benefits of water conservation and the methods that could get the students involved in using this water. Because there is no water-related courses, even in bachelor, master, and PhD in the universities in all the Cyprus. In the recent paper, we get to root cause analysis of the rate of development and attention to water-related fields in the Middle East, not only in the Cyprus, in the Middle East higher education institutes. We focus in the Middle East because they have water-related problems, but they don't have water-related courses. I mean, courses, bachelor, master, or PhD courses in their universities. Because of that, we must know why, and because of that, the best methodology is root cause analysis. What is the root causes for this problem? If you have any question, thank you for your attention.